Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so today we're going to check out some more must-watch fall hairstyles. So she gets a haircut change with this one. Looks like she might be getting a bob. Now it does look like her hair has a slight hint of red going here. It might be the lighting, but she ends up getting this really cute bob. She has the swoop bangs going here. The stylist also does her makeup. This is what I like to call the full glam treatment, where you can go and not only get your hair done, but your makeup done as well. She looks so pretty. I am loving that haircut. The hair just looks so much more volumized and full. Very cute. It's a very nice length too, because it does end just around the jawline. So next up, we have someone with copper colored hair. The stylist cuts that hair right off. Hopefully she keeps that color, because you guys know I am obsessed with copper. Yes! Wow! Such a gorgeous angled bob style with the off-center parts. Oh my gosh, this style is so cute and very trendy. So transformation number 3 features someone with curly hair. Looks like she did a big chop into that curly pixie style. This is such a simple, chic, carefree look. And of course, she can straighten the hair too. She wants to wear it straight, mix it up. Just a lot of versatility within this cut. And we're seeing a lot of curly hairstyles right now. A lot of curly pixies. We're also seeing a lot of curly bobs. Her curls are like probably so soft and springy, she can't stop touching her hair. So next up, we have someone with around mid-back length hair. The stylist places the hair in ponytails, and they both cut off the hair. And we see the stylist going in and shaping the hair into another gorgeous bob. So fresh and fun. I love the simplicity of this one as well. The bob can really be just a nice, simple, carefree style. So moving right along, she looks like she has some curly hair too as well. Oh, she gets another curly pixie. So this is a nice way to just kind of show the different textures that can rock the same exact style. She's like got the asymmetrical shape with that one. And then here we have someone else who has copper ginger colored hair. And she also gets a curly cut. Now you can see that the curls were created with the iron. It does feature a nice angle. Oh, wow, I am obsessed with this pixie. It does feature more of like a tail in the back, more of like a baby mullet pixie variation. So cute and fun. I am obsessed. So moving right along, now she has this gorgeous reddish copper color to her hair as well. She's got some hair growing in with the grown in grays. So here is the full makeover, a nice cut. Looks like she did some layers here. Beautiful caramel colored highlights to frame out the face. So gorgeous. Love this makeover. And the color is really perfect for the fall season. So next up we have another curly hair makeover. So she has this beautiful long curly hair. Oh, and she gets some color, some more caramel highlights, playing into that ombre color trend with a darker root. And that color is perfect for her complexion. It really just kind of adds some brightness. So pretty, and her curl definition looks amazing. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these fall hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.